Join me as I dive into the rumors and try to find out if Sony is really working on a new FX3 Mark II. The FX3 has been a game-changer in the filmmaking community, offering unparalleled performance and versatility in a compact form factor. Its release sent shockwaves through the industry, and it's been the go-to camera for many creators ever since. With its impressive specs and portability, it's no wonder filmmakers are eagerly awaiting any potential updates or successors. As we all know, technology is ever evolving, and the filmmaking landscape is constantly changing. We're at a point where creators are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with current camera technology, but we're also facing some significant challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the limitations of sensor size, which can result in poor low-light performance and limited dynamic range. Another issue is the struggle to balance portability with features and functionality. We need cameras that can keep up with our creative vision, but also fit comfortably in our bags and on our shoulders. Filmmakers are crying out for innovation, and that's exactly what the FX3 Mark II could bring to the table. Imagine a camera that not only addresses the current limitations but takes a massive leap forward in terms of performance, functionality, and user experience. It's an exciting prospect, to say the least. With the FX3 Mark II, Sony could be revolutionary, giving creators the tools they need to bring their most ambitious projects to life. Current camera technology is also holding us back when it comes to color science and color grading. We're seeing a lot of cameras struggle to accurately capture skin tones, and we're limited in our ability to make precise adjustments in post-production. A potential FX3 Mark II could change all that, offering improved color accuracy, advanced color grading tools, and even real-time preview capabilities. Rumors have been swirling about Sony's plans for the FX3 Mark II, and while we can't confirm anything just yet, there are some juicy tidbits worth exploring. One credible source suggests that the new camera could feature a larger full-frame sensor, which would be a massive upgrade from the current APS-C sensor. This would undoubtedly lead to improved low-light performance, shallower depth of field, and a more cinematic aesthetic. Another rumor points to significant advancements in autofocus technology, potentially including advanced AI-powered subject tracking and improved eye autofocus. This would be a huge deal for filmmakers who struggle with tracking fast-moving subjects or capturing critical focus in high-pressure situations. We're also hearing whispers about improved ergonomics and a more modular design, which could make the camera even more portable and versatile than its predecessor. Imagine being able to swap out batteries, lenses, and even entire camera modules on the fly, giving you the ultimate flexibility and creative freedom. One of the most exciting rumors, in my opinion, is the potential for advanced 8K resolution recording capabilities. This would put the FX3 Mark II in a league of its own, offering unparalleled resolution and detail that would future-proof our footage for years to come. The idea of being able to capture 8K footage in a compact, affordable camera is truly mind-boggling. If the FX3 Mark II does materialize, it could be a total game-changer for the filmmaking industry. Creators would have access